In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly upload your website files to Hostinger. This is an essential skill for anyone managing their own website, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out. Let's jump into the process and make it smooth and straightforward for you. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Once you're there, you should see a dashboard that helps you manage your web hosting features. Head over to the section labeled Websites. This is where you'll find all the domains you're managing with Hostinger. Look for the website you'd like to work on, and you'll notice a button labeled Manage right next to it. Go ahead and click that. This action will take you to your website management area. Here, you'll see a list of tools and options to choose from. For uploading files, we need to access the File Manager, so go ahead and find that option in your list and select it. Now, think of the File Manager as the filing cabinet where all your website's files live. It's important to know your way around here. Once inside the File Manager, navigate directly to the public HTML directory. This directory is crucial as it's the root for your website. All your website files need to reside here for them to show up on the internet. Consider it the folder that tells your website where home is, so entering the correct files here is essential. To upload, look for a button labeled Upload. This will be your next stop. Click on it and you'll get a choice between uploading individual files or entire folders. Now, if you're adding just a few files, feel free to select them individually. However, if you have a whole website to upload with tons of files, there's a more efficient way. In instances where you have a large number of files, it's best to use a compressed .zip file. This not only speeds up the upload, but also makes sure that nothing gets lost in the process. Once you've uploaded this .zip file into the public HTML directory, use the File Manager's extraction feature to decompress the file and expand its contents into the necessary folders. This step is a real-time saver and prevents errors that might occur if you were to upload files one by one. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you have successfully uploaded your website files to Hostinger. With your files in place, your site is set to go live or update old content with ease. If you ever find yourself needing to repeat this process in the future, these steps will ensure it's as seamless as possible. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hosting.